Hey, Josh from Speedy Towbars here to quickly take you through how to insert and remove your 50mm heavy duty ball mounts. Depending on your brand of tow bar, you'll first have to remove the anti-rattle bolt in one of the corners of your receiver. Now this is a 16mm spanner, or as a little bit of a cheat code, use one of your D shackles as a bit of a hand spanner to loosen that bolt. Once that bolt is loose, you can remove your pin, your clip, and the ball mount will simply slide out. To insert the ball mount, put it into the receiver, line up your pin and clip, and insert your R clip. You can retighten your anti-rattle bolt using your D shackle or a spanner again. Keep in mind, the anti-rattle bolt is only to be tight when you are not towing. For any more information or any support on tow bars and their accessories, please don't hesitate to reach out to our team.